Welcome to the Sirena presentation webinar. We are going to review this innovative product dedicated to industrial cybersecurity, which complements several products that already exist on the market. In the first diagram, we will see and observe how Sirena enhances an existing industrial cybersecurity sensor. Guardian platform from Nozomi, Kicks for Networks from Kaspersky or Clarity are able of, once plugged in the customer's industrial environment, listen to the IT and OT traffic, opening a window for a complete low-level information with the maximum data associated with an IP, links between devices, for example SCADA and PLCs or actuators, and the session variables coming from sensors as temperature, humidity, level of the water, etc. Sirena is able to associate each low-level asset with an asset of business service, connecting with several sources of information. Risk analysis, asset database, or industrial operation manager CMMS, and automatically tag assets, alerts, group them, apply new correlation rules. We can use it to show the assets and alerts in natural language to each profile, in addition to showing all the business information associated with an asset and alert for correct decision making. To carry out a practical demonstration, we are going to use the following model of a critical infrastructure or a smart city such as seaport. We can see the model as if docked in the dock, with a crane picking up a container and various system SCADA or associated industrial networks. The crane itself, an audible and visual alarm, a conveyor belt, several sensor-activated street lights, one of which is being repaired by the port operator, several traffic lights that regulate traffic, and an entrance barrier for coming in and out the vehicles into the seaport. In the figure on the left, we see the port architecture scheme with an SCADA master governing all industrial systems and an external router that connects to IT systems. On the right, we can see how it is shown by an industrial cybersecurity sensor such as Nozomi Guardians, which is the example that we will see during this webinar. Let's change to the web interface. Okay, we can see how the information is shown. Here we can see the information on the Nozomi interface, the asset view environment with the list of the assets, and a graphical view of the network with these elements connected. We provide an automatical graphical representation of the network, as well as a high-level inventory of the assets and variables on the systems. These are the variables of each asset and its values. Let's see the automatic information that the sensor collects on the left and how Sirena is able to show us this inventory with much more associated business information. We see that the name of the asset is already associated with a business name, such as alarms, traffic light, or street light. Also, we see the associated business name from our connected business asset database. We also can see that the system has automatically tagged assets, lampposts from 1 to 5 to 4, traffic lights from 1 to 2, etc., using a powerful automatic tagging engine. Finally, we can drill down into the complete business information associated with the asset with the button on the left. This automatic labeling screen allows, based on the rules that we program that uniquely identify a set of assets, renaming them and associating them with a business asset and a specific label. In the examples, we see automatic labeling for the street lights, cranes, or traffic lights. We can associate several concatenated rules to identify these assets automatically. In this screen, we see the assets that the system has automatically tagged and it also informs us if any tag has not been applied because it does not match 10% with the rule, allowing us to tag it manually, for example, if it matches 75%. The group labels allows us, for example, to identify the areas where each asset is located, and this Sirena screen allows us to assign said area automatically. Now, let's introduce into the business information that we may have associated with each asset. In the example, we will use the connection of Sirena with its own risk analysis application embedded that each smart city or critical infrastructure could perfectly have to accomplish with the lay peak or peak law from critical infrastructure, or with the national security scheme or the national law regulating the security concepts. A risk analysis consists of an asset inventory, business threats associated with each asset, evaluation, and finally an order list of risks with associated actions to mitigate the risk that the organization considers unacceptable. Sirena will be able to collect this business information and associate it with the assets and alerts detected by the industrial cybersecurity sensor. In this example, we see how the information system, docking and undocking from the seaport, is made up of various services such as traffic light management, terminal and crane management, and port traffic management. Each of them in turn depends on a series of assets, each time of a low level. In this example, the lighting system depends on the street lights, and the traffic system on the traffic lights and the entrance and exit barrier. In turn, these assets depend on the SCADA master and this on the CPD where it is located. In addition to configuring dependencies between assets, high-level services are valued in terms of availability, integrity, confidentiality, authenticity, and traceability. Next, from the business point of view, a possible threat is associated for each asset. This threat is usually accompanied by a vulnerability detected in the system. In the example, the church area lamp has a potential threat of unintended use as it is managed from an attended checkpoint. This is the vulnerability. In addition, the threat is evaluated in terms of possible frequency and how it affects the security dimensions previously explained. With this information, the system presents us with a list of risks ordered from highest to lowest, and the organization decides to apply actions to mitigate those that are above its risk threshold. In the example, for the risk of unintended use of the chart lamp, the safe perimeter control is proposed, and the action would be secured the perimeter of the lamp to prevent external access. This action will be associated with a person in charge and with an expected date of execution. If the asset is involved in an alarm, we will have this information available for decision making. In addition, we can also automatically label alarms based on any parameter so that the alarm is displayed in a natural language that is typical of the organization. Let's check some attacks that can be performed on the environment. We can see the crane being attacked by an external source, or the traffic lights turned to green at the same time, which can provoke any accident. Here we can see an example of the extra business information that we have associated with each alarm for its correct understanding. According to the indicated profile, and that allows quick understanding and decision-making. The alarm can receive several labels that are shown in the initial interface, such as the attack on the crane, and whose detail we can display to see the assets involved, the risks previously identified to confirm if any of them has caused the alarm, the planned actions in the assets and those responsible of that actions. In short, a complete report of each alert to better understanding what the anomaly consists of and make the best possible decision. Here is the alert as it is shown in the Nozomi interface, and here is how the alarm is presented to us in the Sirena interface. The dashboard allows us to see alerts, risks, and anomalies grouped by business assets, but also by high-level services or by business directly, so that we have a complete picture of our operating environment, and each manager can have its own control panel. Reports can be scheduled and sent to each manager to analyze the status of security operations and the trend of each system. There are many functionalities that are being developed and will be available in future versions, such as integration with QRadar and other CM, so that the security analyst has all the information added in their usual operations environment. In this demo, we have shown how the capacity of an industrial cybersecurity market platform is greatly enhanced by the connection to our business, allowing a much greater understanding of what is really happening in our operations environment, and allowing us to choose the best option to respond to an attack or anomaly or to improve the security of our infrastructure. We continue developing new functionalities while deploying the solution in critical infrastructures. You can contact us for a demo, a proof of concept, or for deploying an industrial cybersecurity project with the deployment of Market Platform and/or Sirena.